I'm here to guide you through the correct step-by-step CPR procedure. Step 1. Ensure the scene is safe for both you and the victim. Check for responsiveness by tapping their shoulders and shouting, "Are you okay?" If there is no response, call emergency services immediately and ask for an AED. Start compressions by placing the heel of one hand in the center of the chest. Keep your elbows straight and compress at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute. Push deep, about 5 to 6 centimeters, allowing the chest to fully recoil each time. A helpful rhythm to follow is the beat of the song "Stayin' Alive" by the Bee Gees. After 30 compressions, open the airway by tilting the head back and lifting the chin. If trained, give 2 rescue breaths and continue the cycle of 30 compressions and 2 breaths. If you aren't trained, stick to hands-only CPR. It's highly recommended for untrained rescuers. Knowing these steps can save a life. Stay safe and start training today.